Come test drive the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.